SAP PP Master Data Beyond the Basics. Unlock advanced production planning capabilities to maximize efficiency, cost control, and quality, leveraging SAP Production Planning Master Data for complex manufacturing scenarios. Foundational PP Master Data. A quick review. A solid understanding of core master data elements is crucial for effective SAP P operations, enabling seamless MRP, capacity planning, and production order processing. Material Master. Centralized Product Information, MM01/MM02. Routing. Sequence of Operations for Production, CA01. Bill of Material, BOM. Components for Finished or Semi-Finished Goods, CS01. Work Center. Resources Performing Operations, CR01. Deep Dive. Material Master, PP Relevant Views. The Material Master holds critical production planning data across various views, directly impacting MRP, procurement, and production strategies. MRP1 view, define MRP type, example, PD MRP, ND no MRP. Lot sizing procedure, example, EX lot for lot, MB monthly. MRP2 view, procurement type, E in-house, F external. Production storage location, backflush indicator. MRP3 view, strategy group, e.g. 10 make to stock, 20 make to order, consumption mode. MRP4 view, BOM explosion number, discontinuation data, dependent requirements. Work scheduling view, production schedule profile, under or over delivery tolerance. Deep Dive, Bill of Material, BOM. Advanced BOM functionalities enable flexibility in production, managing component variations and time-dependent changes for diverse manufacturing needs. Alternative BOMs define multiple component variants based on quantity or validity periods. Production versions link specific BOM and routing combinations for precise production control, C223MM02. BOM usage differentiates BOM types such as 1 for production or 5 for sales, ensuring correct application. Effectivity dates and change numbers manage time-dependent component changes and revisions effectively, CC01. Recursive BOMs handle the complex relationships of co-products and byproducts within the production process. Deep Dive, Routing Recipe. Routings and recipes define the step-by-step production process, incorporating control keys, standard values, and parallel operations for optimized manufacturing. Operation control keys define operation behavior, including costing, QM integration, and PRT usage. Standard values and formulas calculate setup, machine, and labor times based on work center formulas, example SAP 001. Parallel sequences allow simultaneous operations to significantly shorten overall lead times. Reference operation sets enable the reuse of standard operation groups for efficiency, CA11. Inspection characteristics link to quality management for in-process inspection points, ensuring quality control. Deep Dive, Work Center. Work centers are essential for managing production resources, impacting capacity, scheduling, costing, and automated material consumption. Capacity categories define available capacities like machine, labor, and energy, crucial for resource planning. Formulas used for accurate scheduling and capacity calculations, example SAP 001 for machine time. Scheduling define finite or infinite scheduling, including standard queue times for production orders. Backflush indicator automate goods issue upon operation confirmation, streamlining material consumption. Costing assign activity types and cost centers for precise product costing and financial tracking. Cross-module integration and impact. SAP PP Master Data serves as the backbone, seamlessly integrating with other SAP modules to ensure holistic business process execution. QM integration. Work center and routing links to inspection plans, QP01, ensuring quality checks. CO integration. Work center activity types drive actual cost collection for product costing. SCM APO integration. Master data, PPMs, transferred for advanced planning and optimization capabilities. Integration. MRP views control material procurement and inventory valuation processes. FI integration. Inventory valuation and financial postings are directly influenced by SAP PP Master Data accuracy. Optimization and best practices. Maintaining accurate and optimized SAP PP Master Data is crucial for system performance, data integrity, and long-term efficiency. Data governance. Establish clear ownership and change management processes for data accuracy. Regular audits. Periodically review master data accuracy and consistency, example using reports CS15, CA95. Standardization. Implement templates for new material, BOM, and routing creation to ensure consistency. Performance impact. Optimize data for faster MRP runs and efficient production order creation. Lifecycle management. Archive obsolete master data to maintain system efficiency and data relevance. Next steps for PP Master Data excellence. Elevate your SAP PP capabilities by continuously refining your master data management strategy. Focus on proactive maintenance and leveraging advanced features to drive operational excellence. Implement advanced features. Explore and utilize more complex functionalities like production versions and alternative routings. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and update master data processes based on evolving business needs and system performance. Training and empowerment. Ensure your team is well-trained in master data best practices and empowered to maintain data integrity. Strategic alignment. Align master data structures with overall business objectives and future manufacturing strategies.